Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials, the Zoom meeting link or ID and passcode, and you open Microsoft Teams now. Once Teams is open, sign in and navigate to the chat or calendar where the Zoom link is posted. Make sure your Zoom client is installed or be ready to use the browser client. Installing prevents delays. You allow camera and mic permissions when asked so audio and video work. This gets you immediately into the joining sequence. You click the Zoom link posted in the Teams message or calendar event. This step transfers control to Zoom. Once clicked, choose Open Zoom Meetings to launch the desktop app for full features, or select Join from browser if you prefer not to install. When the Zoom dialog appears, pick your camera and microphone from the device menu and use test speaker and microphone to confirm levels. Doing that prevents audio problems once you enter, and it also speeds up entrance to the meeting. You enter the passcode and set your display name, then click Join Now or Ask to Join. That completes the connection. If a waiting room appears, ping the meeting host in Teams chat or send a direct message so they can admit you quickly. If something goes wrong, first restart the Zoom app and retry. Next, verify firewall or VPN settings that might block the connection, and if issues persist, use Join from browser as an alternate path to get into the meeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.